Standard size amplifier built-in photoelectric sensor, Z4 series. 5 times more resistance to ambient light than conventional models. The upper conventional model turns on and off according to the flashing light of LED lighting, which is the ambient light, while the lower Z4 series does not turn on and off. As shown here, Z4 series is 5 times more resistant to ambient light than the conventional model. Scan here for more information on Z4 series standard size amplifier built-in photoelectric sensors.